Let's go ahead and select the reference planograms. From the Nexgen POG dashboard, click Planograms in the main menu. Select all the planograms you want to use as references for AI training. These planograms will serve as the benchmark for your AI recommendations. Click Actions drop-down and choose Change Groups. Select Create New Group, enter a group name for your new AI training group. Check the option Use this group for AI training group. Click Create New Group to create the new group. From the side panel, select the created group from the drop-down. Once selected, click Change Group. Now the reference planograms are added to the AI training group. Now, let's create the product assortment and define space allocation for each item. Select Autofill Assortment from the main menu. Click New to create a new assortment. Filter products by category, subcategory or groups and click Next. Select the sales data batch if available to allocate space based on sales performance. Click Next. Then select the manufacturers or brands to be included in the assortment. All products under the chosen manufacturers or brands will appear automatically with corresponding space allocation. From the displayed list, select the products you want to include. Choose the desired reference planogram group from the AI training groups. Once selected, the Get AI Recommendation button will be activated. Click Get AI Recommendation. When prompted, save the assortment. After processing, a confirmation message appears with the date and time of the AI recommendation. Then you can close the window. Your AI recommended assortment is ready. Use it to quickly create and autofill your planogram. Return to the home page and click New Planogram. Create a new planogram with the required dimensions and name the planogram. Select the Autofill option. Choose the Autofill assortment you just created. Click Create and Autofill.